Right now, three different people are making money with AI. One just got paid $45 to eat dinner at a restaurant. Another just charged a local gym owner $200 for a 2-hour Zoom call. And the third one woke up to a Gumroad notification that two people bought her mini course while she was sleeping. None of them are coders, none of them have a following. In today's video, I'm going to show you all three, and at the end, I'll help you figure out which one fits your life right now. So let's get into it. The first one is mystery shopping. You've probably heard of it. Companies pay regular people to walk into a store, a restaurant, a gym, or even a car dealership and pretend to be a normal customer. And all they have to do is just report back on their experience. Like, was the staff friendly? How long did it take to be seated? Or was the bathroom clean? This industry has been around since decades and it's worth over $1 billion. And there are legitimate companies, some with A plus ratings from the Better Business Bureau, hiring shoppers in both Canada and the US right now. Now, here's what most people don't know. The visit itself, that's the easy part. 30 minutes, maybe an hour. What companies are really paying for is a report. A detailed, well written professional report about exactly what you observed, and the report is where most mystery shoppers struggle. They forget details, their writing is vague, and the report gets rejected. And then they don't get paid. This is where AI completely changes the game. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Say, I just finished a mystery shop at a restaurant. While I was there, I jotted down some rough notes on my phone. Nothing fancy. That took me 30 seconds to type while I was sitting there. Now watch what happens when I bring these notes to Claude. Go to Claude and write, attached are my notes. I just completed a mystery shop at a casual dining restaurant. Using these notes, write a detailed professional mystery shopping report. Use third person objective tone. Include specific times, staff names, and observations. Flag any service issues clearly but without any emotional language. And then organize it into sections. See, from my messy phone notes, I got a polished, structured report in about a minute. Now let me show you what this looks like without AI, because the difference is what makes this work. Here's what a typical mystery shopper might submit. The restaurant was okay, the server was nice, the food came pretty fast, the bathroom wasn't great, and then here's the AI assisted version from the same visit. See the difference. One gets rejected, the other gets approved, which means you get paid. And the platform starts offering you better assignments. That's the real advantage here. Mystery shopping platforms give their best gigs, the nice restaurants, the hotel stays, and the higher paying jobs to shoppers who consistently submits quality reports. AI makes that shopper from day one. And talking about money, individual shops pay $10 to $15 each, depending on the complexity. Restaurant shops often reimburse your meal on top of the payment. So you eat out for free and get paid for it. Mystery shoppers who do this consistently earn $100 to $500 a month. The ones who batch multiple shops in one outing, doing 3 or 4 stops in a single afternoon, earn towards the higher end. Now, to be honest, this won't replace your income. It's side money. But the beauty is you're getting paid to do things you would anyways do, like eating out, visit a store, get your oil changed. AI just removes the one part everyone hates, writing the report. So sign up with an established, legitimate company. In Canada, that could be In Touch Insight and iSecret Shop. And in the US, it could be Market Force and Bestmark. All you need is a phone and any chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. By the way, if you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. I post practical AI workflows every week so that people can save time, money, and be more productive. Now, talking about the second side hustle, it does not even require you to leave your house. And if anyone has ever asked you for advice on literally anything, you've already qualified for this. Here's the thing. You don't need to be an expert to teach something. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. And in 2026, AI can turn what you already know into a workshop or a mini course. Think about it. What do people come to you for? Maybe you've helped a friend navigate the paperwork after losing a parent, and you remember how much they needed someone to walk them through it. Or maybe you've raised 3 dogs and you know exactly what a new puppy owner needs in the first 30 days. Whatever that thing is, there are people who would pay to learn it from you, and AI makes the building part almost effortless. Let me show you how fast this actually comes together. Say you've raised dogs for years. Friends and family ask you for advice every time someone brings a new puppy home. Let's turn that into a mini course. Say your puppy's first 30 days, everything you wish you would know. Now, Go to Claude and ask it to build a complete workshop outline from your own experience, including the title, lesson modules, talking points, and worksheets. If you want the full prompt, it's in the description below. Look at what we just got, a full workshop structure. 5 modules, each with clear talking points, checklist ideas, a title, and all in few seconds. Now I could take this outline, record myself walking through each module either on Zoom screen sharing a slide or just talking to camera with my own dog in the frame. And I've got a complete mini course. But here's where it gets even better. AI doesn't just help you with the outline. For each module, you can give your input and then ask AI to rephrase that to make it workshop worthy. And by no time, you'll have your entire course written and ready to record. It includes all the tips and tricks that people come to you for. You can sell this on Gumroad or Etsy. You could also use Teachable or Thinkific if you want something even more polished later. A simple workshop price at $27 to $47 and you sell 10 of them in a month and you've made close to $500 from something you already know. The one-time setup is the hard part. After that, it earns on its own. And here's what makes us different from selling a planner on Etsy. A planner is a commodity. There are 10,000 of them. But a workshop from you, with your stories and your specific method, that's unique. Nobody else has your exact experience. AI helps you package it, but the value comes from you. Now, talking about the third side hustle, this is the one I'm most excited about because it's recurring monthly income. So stick with me. Here's what's happening right now. Small business owners like a dentist, the gym, the bakery down the street are paying for AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva Pro, QuickBooks with AI features, or Google Workspace with Gemini built in. They signed up because everyone told them that they need AI to stay competitive. And they're right, they do. But most of them tried ChatGPT once, twice, got weird answer, and they never opened it again. They have Canva Pro, but they are only using it to resize photos. All of them are paying $20, $30, or $40 a month for tools they barely touch. That gap between what they are paying for and what they are actually using is your service. You offer what I call an AI tool audit. You sit down with a business owner on Zoom or at their shop and you walk them through the tools they already have. No new subscriptions, no upselling. Just let me show you what your money is already getting you. See your local gym owner is paying for ChatGPT Plus and Canva Pro. Open the ChatGPT and have it draft the next Instagram caption. Then show them how to use Canva's AI tools to resize that content for each platform in under 30 seconds. The real value is not doing the work for them every time. It is teaching them how to use these tools properly so they can get the most out of them with minimal effort. You can position this as a lightweight service that takes about 2 hours a month and charge anywhere between $150 to $300 for it. You can also turn it into a monthly retainer by offering ongoing support such as checking in once a month, walking them through new features, and helping them improve how they are using the tools. The reason I love this one is because small business owners, they know they should be using AI, but they don't have the time to sit down and figure it out on their own. So you're not selling them a new tool or a hype. You're just sitting down with them and saying, you're already paying for this. Let me show you how it actually works. That's a conversation business owners genuinely want to have. And the honest part, you don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to know these tools better than the average small business owner. Ask in advance what tools they are using in their business and they need help with. Spend some time learning those features most people skip. And that's your entire preparation. I would say start with small businesses you already visit, like your hair salon, your coffee shop, your kids' dance studio, and offer the first one free or at a discount. Use it to build a case study so you can show it to the next client. Then post it in your neighborhood Facebook group or a local community chat to get more clients. Now I know what some of you are thinking. These all sound good, but which one is right for you? Here's how I would think about it. If you want easy side money with zero client work, start with mystery shopping. You sign up, pick gigs, do the visit, use AI to write the report, get paid, and simple. If you have knowledge or a skill that people ask you about even casually, the workshop builder is your move. It's the one that can earn you money while you sleep once it's built. And if you want something that could grow into a real side business with recurring income, then AI audit is the one. You don't need to do all three of them. Pick the one that fits your life right now and start this week, not next month. So, I want to know, which of these three are you going to try? Drop in the comments below. And if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. I post new videos every week showing you practical ways to use AI in your everyday life. No hype, no fluff, just stuff that actually works. I'll see you in the next one.